What is the use of search term report in Google Ads? Great question. And very few people use it to optimize their campaigns. So the search term report is where you will find all the search queries which a user has used on Google when your ad showed up. So if you find queries which are not relevant to your product or service, you can either, you add them as a negative keyword to stop them showing for that search term in the future. But if you find search terms which you have not included in your campaign, you can then find some new queries or search terms which you then should add in your campaign. So it works both ways. So if you, on one hand, you are adding and finding negative keywords, and on the other hand, you are finding and adding positive keywords. And doing this exercise at least once a week, dependent on how small or big your account is, you need to do this regularly, and that is going to save you a ton of money and make you a lot of money as well.